Welcome to How to Teach Kids When to Use Then, THAN, or Then, THEN, as in the two sentences. A helicopter is slower than an airplane, or first the letter was mailed, then delivered. Then and then are homophones. They sound the same, they are spelled differently. They both have four letters, but the different letter is a vowel. They have different meanings. Then THAN makes a comparison, and then THEN tells what happened next. Now we're going to look at an example of each then. Then THAN makes a comparison. Who or what is being compared? In the sentence, a helicopter is slower than an airplane. The helicopter and airplane are being compared. Then THEN tells what happened next. In the sentence, first the letter was mailed, then delivered. Delivered is what happened next. Now have kids read the sentence, the flamingo is a lot taller than the goose. Tell them they have to decide which then fits the sentences. Then read each one. Does this sentence make a comparison? Yes. Now ask the question, does this sentence tell what happened next? No, so let's go back to yes. Who or what is being compared? So now fill in the blank with the correct then. THAN. Again, begin by reading the sentence. They set up camp, then went on a hike. Ask, does the sentence make a comparison? The answer is no. Then read the next question. Does the sentence tell what happened next? The answer is yes. So now ask, what happened next? Went on a hike. Now have kids fill in the blank. THEN. Have kids fill in the blank. Review with them that THAN makes a comparison and that THEN tells what happens next. His sister runs faster than him. The sentence makes a comparison between his sister and him. So THAN is used for then. His sister runs faster than him. Continue with the same pattern for the next three sentences. Kids have to decide whether the sentence is a comparison or tells what happens next. She boarded the plane tells what happened next, so THEN is used. The chef made sauce, then they were served their plates of spaghetti. The correct then, THEN, tells what happens next. The chef made sauce, then they were served their plates of spaghetti. It's hotter today than it was yesterday. This makes a comparison. It is a comparison. Use THAN. Now have kids draw lines to complete the sentences on their own independently, and then you can check it with the next slide. They picked vegetables in the garden, then made a delicious salad with them. She blended several oranges, then served orange juice. Some people think cats are better pets than dogs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, I will leave a link in the description section for the teaching templates.